Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Dave from DLLM Cactus. Today I'm gonna have a little video about this cactus I found when I was at Lowe's. I was shopping for some dirt to do some repotting, and I walked across the aisle and saw this there. Normally get some silver torch from them in the past where there was 3 to a container this big and it was about 24 bucks. So saw this and just crazy amount of Cleisto cactus in there. Knew they were Straussii, no label. But the Altman plant guys were there. I asked them, I said, is this the same price? I said, these are silver torches, right? And they said, yes, but we've never seen anybody put that many into a container. But they honored the price, and I'm interested to see how many Straussii we get. There's a little light deficiency to some in the middle there, so I want to get them out of here as quick as possible. I'm gonna see how many are in there, and got a nice big container with some good drainage. So let's see how many are there. Let's separate it. All right, let's see what we have here. Nice. I think I watered it like 3 days ago. So tried to let it dry out a little bit. If I make a mess, it's not my fault. Gonna try to pull the first few out and then kind of work around them. Then we'll keep them pretty dry once we have them repotted. Won't water them for a bit. Keep them out of the direct sun. Have one loss right here, completely rotted on the side there. First one out. The rotted one was right next to him, so I want to get rid of all that down there on the bottom. Looks clean. There's one. Kind of turn it to the side so you can see it a little better. Just gently pulling away. There's 2. Ooh, I got one in there. Usually do this outside. Wife's gonna be happy about me using the counter, but it is 107 out today. Do not want to be messing around out there working on this for half hour to an hour. Oh, thank you. These are wound so tight together. That's tricky. I'll probably do a little fast forwarding in the video so I don't bore you guys for a long period of time, because this is gonna take a little time to untangle, find the ones that will come out in order, because they are tight together. Woo. See if they're a little easier on this side. Trying to remove as much as I can off the dirt without being too rough. Come apart right there. Just wiggle them. Two more. There we go. Got two more. It's a really thick one. Healthy. Another one. Starting to pull apart a lot easier now. Don't jinx it, David. Good. This little guy. He might have some trouble, but I'll still try. I don't like giving up on plants. I've seen some little ones grow into amazing plants, so I'll keep at them. Real easy on that one. We're lining them up over here. See if we can get this big guy out now. I don't want to pull too hard, so if he doesn't want to come just yet, I'll wait. This one will. Nice. He's kind of attached to the big guy. There we go. Nice, good size. Even better size. This thing's huge. There's one big central root that I don't want to take off, so I'll be patient. Nice. It's a container too. Another rotten one. It is a real, definitely too rich of a potting mix. Nice. Got you there. Another one. Feels really solid at the bottom. I thought he might have issues, but he's good. Working out easier. Got him. There we go. There we go, finally. It's just one of his main roots, so I didn't want to mess with it until I could get him out normal. Definitely a big boy from these. There. Having fun, everyone? Almost there. Two guys came with it. Last little bit. Finito. That is all of them. I'm gonna rinse them off and clean off the roots real quick. These two are the only ones I'm not gonna touch for a little bit. They were too close at the bottom, and when I separated them, I saw some little damage to the actual cactus itself. I don't want to get those wet, so I'm just gonna let them sit off to the side and dry for at least a day or two before I rinse them off. All right, after I took these outside, I kind of sprayed them down, just cleaned off the roots, and ended up getting 35 Cactus straussii. There's a couple small ones I'm gonna keep really dry because they kind of got nicked on the bottom down there, and then rinsed off all these roots. Gonna set them in the shade and just let these dry out, and then kind of pot them up and get them a little bit more spaced out so we can get some good growth out of them. But clean roots, yeah, 35. Perfect. Alrighty, got them all potted up. Into the greenhouse they go. Ended up getting 24 of them into that container. Decent space apart, and I'll kind of work with them. If they get too big and get too close, maneuver them around or repot them. I have like 5 little baby ones down there I'll take a little bit better care of and kind of keep them out of the sun too much. But then that one was really thick at the base and had a good root system, so I put him in his own 4-inch. And then this was the biggest one, so I put him in a gallon. Just have a couple extra there, but 35 in total. Yeah, for 24 bucks, so man, like 80 cents a piece. Can't go wrong. What a deal on the Cactus, the straussii, silver torch. We'll check you on the next video.